Hi everyone! Welcome back to the WP Ultimate CSV Importer video series. In this quick walkthrough, we're covering two powerful new filters added for exporting WordPress users, especially useful for WooCommerce store owners and membership sites. Export users based on the products they purchased. Export users based on their user role. These filters help you target exactly the users you need, whether you're preparing a marketing list, running reports, or managing customer segments. Let's dive in. Step 1. Choose users for export. Start by heading to the export page in WP Ultimate CSV Importer. From the available post types, select Users. Click Continue to proceed to the export configuration screen. You'll first see the Export Saved Templates page. You can either reuse an existing template or create a new one. We'll go ahead and create a new export setup. Step 2. Basic Export Setup. Now, give your export a name. Let's say, Filtered Users Export. Next, choose your file format, CSV, Excel, XML, or others. We'll stick with CSV for this tutorial. Scroll down to the Advanced Filters section. Filter 1. Export users based on purchased product. If you want to export only the users who purchased specific products, enable the Export Customers based on the product that the customer purchased filter. From the drop-down, select one or more products, for example, insulated water bottle. Click Preview to check the filtered list. Only users who purchased that product will appear, super handy for targeted follow-ups or promotional emails. Filter 2. Export users based on user role. Next, let's say you want to export users by their role, for example, only editor. Enable the Export Customer based on role option. Pick the user roles you want to include. We'll choose Editor here. Click Preview to confirm the filtered list. This helps when you're managing memberships, restricting access, or segmenting users by role. Step 3. Final Export. We'll choose both the product and role filter. Again, we're choosing the same product and the role customer. Once your filters are set, scroll down and click Export. Your file will be generated with only the users matching your selected filters, no extra cleanup needed. That's all for today. With these two advanced user filters, purchased product and user role, you get precise control over who gets exported from your WooCommerce and WordPress site. If you found this video helpful, give us a like and hit subscribe for more WordPress tutorials using WP Ultimate CSV Importer. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.